Welcome to the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. The Colorado is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights, as well as the 4x4 dial. You have your integrated Chevrolet braking system, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, single zone climate control. Truck does have heated seats as well as electronic locking differentials front and rear, trailer mode, automatic shifter knob. Vehicle has a wireless charging pad and Bose audio throughout. All black interior to the ZR2 and our ZR2 branded seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2. We do have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires on the 17-inch wheel and tire package. The ZR2 comes with the Multimatic DSSV position sensitive spool dampening suspension system on the ZR2. We do have color matched door handles, crew cab truck, color matched mirror caps. The Colorado ZR2 has the factory lift kit as well, so you got that big lift for the big wheel and tire package. Coming to the front, the bumper cuts for better departure angle. Let those tires grab the objects in front of them. Skid plates all down the belly of these ZR2, red tow hooks, redesigned front end, LED daytime running lamps. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, ZR2 badging. The vehicle is equipped with remote start. At the back, we do have trailer tow package. Again, the bumpers cut for those departure angles, and we have a backup camera and the Colorado ZR2 branded tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Sliding rear window with defrost, solid roof over top with dome lighting, dual USB ports, and a 12-volt in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Colorado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.